Hey guys, we're here today with
Miles.
Miles was telling me that he learned all of the basic tricks with our videos, except for one trick in the Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1 series, and that one trick is the
heel flip.
So we were gonna see if we can teach him how to heel flip, but first I think we should go through all of the Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1 tricks.
Okay.
You cool with that?
Yeah.
Okay, so first trick is an ollie. You go first, I'll get your back. You know what's next? Frontside 180! You know what's next? Backside 180! He knows every trick. Oh yeah! First try! Shove it. It's because you left me hanging. Let's see if you got it here. Oh! This one's first try. That's okay, that's okay. Here, I'll go, you get my back, okay? Yes! What's next? Front shove. He says he's only done this a couple times, so hold on. First try, right here. We won't count that last one as a try. I'm gonna go. Lean back when you do it. Lean back this way. Like that way, ready? All right, that's okay. Lean back, shove forward. There you go. Oh! What's next?
Kickflip. Wait. Heel flip.
In the actual sequence of Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1, heel flip is next. But that's the trick he was having a hard time with. So you want to do a kick flip, then we'll do a heel flip? I was about to yell the first try. We're close. Woo! So you have those like down.
Yeah.
You have those like so down. Okay, so here's the trick you were having a hard time with.
Heel flip.
Heel flip. Honestly, it's the hardest trick in skateboarding. Why is it in Skateboarding Made Simple at all? Should be Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 10. Here's where we start. Try a heel flip. He never, ever has ever landed a heel flip, right?
No.
Okay, you're gonna land it today.
Okay.
You believe me?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it just because I'm here and I'm gonna make you land it, or do you think you could actually just land it?
Well, I think you're gonna help me land it, but I think I could land it on my own, but it would take longer.
Boom. How, have you tried to land it on your own?
Yeah, but not very much.
Not very much. Now why?
I don't know, because I was just focusing on learning kickflips better.
Yeah. I feel like kickflip is like the trick that it's like, if you can do a kickflip.
You're a good skater.
Yeah, right? But heel flip is kind of like, yeah, oh, that's cool, you can heel flip. But it is an important and it is a really good trick. Okay, enough talking. Let's heel flip it up. I'm gonna solve this for him. Step 1, tie your shoe. Okay, step 2, do you know that place on your toes where your toe starts?
Yeah.
It's like your foot is here and your toes are here, and there's like this where your toes turn.
Like your foot knuckles.
Yeah, your foot knuckle. So put your toe knuckles on the edge, right there. Now, more on the concave. No, concave meaning, the concave is the part of the board that lips up right here. So the concave stops right here. So put it back further. Yeah, there. Now where are your toes? Right there?
Yeah.
Okay, a little forward. Okay, actually the more far forward, the faster your board's gonna flip, and what you need to solve is flipping faster.
Okay.
Now your back foot, does it feel comfortable right there?
Yeah, pretty comfortable.
Okay, does standing like that feel really uncomfortable, or does it feel okay?
It feels fine.
It feels fine?
Yeah.
Land a heel flip. You're really close. You know what you need? Get away from that hole. Rolling, you think is easier?
Yeah.
You're killing me, Smalls. Ah! Okay, faster, flip. Okay, it is literally this close. See if I can do one. Oh man, you got that. Woo, it's close. Here, I want to try just a freak experiment. Put your front foot back further, like down here, and try going all the way out forward.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh yeah. There you go. Sometimes it's a point of like playing around with your foot position to see what's going to make your board flip faster or slower, whatever you need. Snake. Right here, Jamba Juice. Oh man. If you land it right here, we'll let you play Lance in a game of skate. Woo! Come on, you got that, you got that. He wants to play Lance. There's a challenger. Flick forward, flick forward. Give it a minute, give it a minute. Really concentrate. Put your foot in the exact position. Just give it a whirl. Dude, you're like so close. I do think it does help to put your back foot like in this pocket, in this little corner. Yeah. Right there. Come on. You got that. You got that. Oh! Remember that flick though, you gotta flick harder, I think is the thing. Because the board's not, it's not about you letting it rotate because it's not rotating. Yeah, you gotta flick harder. Which means the pop of your ankle needs to be faster. It's like, there it is. Okay, that one, let your legs up. Because you stopped it there. Oh yeah, come on. Woo! Keep those legs up, keep those legs up. Like your knees, keep them bent. Oh boy. Yeah, nobody said skateboarding was easy, but you'll learn it. Oh yeah. Okay, there's one more thing we need to teach him. He's got to lean back before the pop. There's a video I made, it's called How to Keep Heel Flips from Going Behind You. You got to lean back that way. You tired?
Kinda.
You ready to give up?
No.
You ready to just let the board win and beat you?
No.
Exactly. Oh, this close. Another second in the air and you'll do it. This next one, give your tail time to pop. Pop tail, flick.
It helps with kick flips too.
Totally. You'll land it right here. Oh, come on. That was it. Right here, pop that tail. 100.
You have to drop into the deep end.
100% full commitment. If I land it, yes, Lance will drop into the deep end. Oh boy, good thing he didn't land that. Lance's life was seriously at danger. Pop your tail. It's like every now and then you get real close and you stop popping your tail. Pop your tail, you'll land it. Right here, by the power of Gabe Cruz. Oh man. Remember everything. That's the thing, is like you learn so many things so fast. Remember all those steps. Okay. But right now the one and only thing you need to do is pop your tail, you'll land. Ridiculously close. Here, phone's in your pocket? All right, give me that. Give me that phone. I don't know how you even move with a phone in the pocket. It's Ivan. Should I answer? Yeah. Who's that? If you land it right here, I'll call Ivan back. Hi, is Ivan there? Hey Ivan, it's Miles. I'm just here at the skate park learning how to do a heel flip. Ivan says if you land it right now, he's gonna buy you Jamba Juice. Okay, here's the deal. Your last one, fully rotated. Your back foot was just off because you didn't commit. That one you committed, but you didn't rotate. Put those two together. Oh. Man.
That's the wrong guy teaching him how to heel flip, man.
Gabe, do a heel flip. Oh, he got the luck of the gab. It's okay, nobody saw that. Land a heel flip and show Gabe how it's done. Oh! Oh! Luck of the gab is real! It's real! We're out here! Gabe Cruz! 2017! First ever heel flip. First ever.
I think I could do it better.
I think that was incredible. But you know what they say?
2 to make it true.
2 to make it true. Oh! If you land it right here, we'll buy you tickets to the water park. Yep. He seriously looked at left-handed shake. Oh, he wanted that water park. Oh! If you land it right here, you can have the Braille house. Oh, he wanted the Braille house. If you land it right here, we'll give you tickets to the Braille house. July 29th, the next Braille house event. We will be there, you will be there. Land it right here. so close to going to the Braille house. Right here for the tickets. Oh! Miles! We're out here. That was incredible. Oh! First try and everything. July 29th, tickets, Braille house. We'll hook you up. So there you go. You did a trick that you've never ever done before. How does that feel?
Feels really good.
Like good, like ice cream good or pizza good?
Ice cream pizza.
Ice cream pizza, holy wow. That's enough said right there.
Pizza flavored ice cream.
Pizza flavored ice cream, that's on another level. Thanks for watching, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely get Skateboarding Made Simple so you can learn to skate like Miles. Woo!
Volume 2 now.
He's ready for volume 2. Volume 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Thank you, 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 each and every one of you guys. We love you guys, we appreciate your support. If you guys are trying to learn a trick, leave it in the comments below so we can make a video to help you guys learn. Do you have any advice for anybody out there trying to learn how to heel flip?
Go into Fremont Skate Park and find Aaron, and he'll teach you how to do it.
It's a good piece of advice.
If not, just watch Skateboarding Made Simple.
Even better piece of advice. Let's see how many knucks we can get in this video. Click on this playlist right here. Click here to get Skateboarding Made Simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.